Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video let's see how we can use price list and discounts in Odoo 14 website community. Odoo has come up with the most powerful price list feature to support the pricing strategy in business. So it is nothing but creating a specific price list or a price rate for a specific customer. The price list or price rate can be specific for a product or for a group of products. So it is important to set your price for a successful long business run. Okay, now go to configuration settings. And here when you search for price list, you can find that option under website. Okay, you can apply specific prices per country, discounts, etc. So using a price list, we can also provide discounts to customers. So here we can set multiple prices per product, that is fixed price rules can be created by product, and we can also use advanced price rules to compute the price list, that is to compute price. So in advanced price rules we can define formulas, discounts and all. Okay, so let's select the second one. Then here we can also enable discounts. So okay, so you can grant discounts on sale order lines and you can save the settings. Okay, now when you come under products, you can see price list menu. Now you can define price list for products. So if I click on create, here you can provide a new. And as we have enabled multi-currency for website, here we can select a different currency for your price list. So I'm setting USD. Then here you can apply this price list specifically for a company. Then here you can add price rules. So as we have enabled advanced price rules, here you can see more options. Okay, so you can apply this price list on all products or on a particular product category or on a product or product variant. So I'm going to apply this on a particular product. So here I'm selecting cabin with doors. Then here we can mention at least minimum this much quantity of product must be ordered. Okay. Then here we can set the period of validation of that is price list. Then we can select the price computation. So product price can be computed as fixed price, discount or formula. So here using second option you can provide discount percentage. Then here we have a third option, that is using formula. So we can compute new sales price by subtracting price discount and surcharge from old sales price, and we can apply rounding on the price. Then here we can also set a minimum margin and maximum margin for a product. Okay, and we have done a separate video on sales price list in Odoo 14 community, so please check that. So in that video we have discussed in detail how we can compute sales price using formula. Okay, now let's apply percentage discount as discount. So here I'm providing 35% as discount, and now here I can save and close. And again you can add price list. Okay, so I can apply fixed price. So you can see two price rules are added for the product. Okay, now we can save the price list. And here we can make our demo price list selectable. So for that, we come under configuration and we can make this price list selectable. And if you want to apply e-commerce promotional code so that you can give rewards as free gifts or discounts, more discounts to customers, you can apply that add that code here. Then we can set the discount policy, that is whether to include the discount in price or to show public price and discount to customers as separate. So I'm choosing second option. Okay, now save this. Okay, now when you go to website, so you can see this demo price list is selectable from website. Now you go to website there, and if you visit e-commerce shop, but if you search for product cabinet with doors, so here along with the prices you can see demo price list. Okay, so when you select demo price list, you can see the total price here calculated based on the price set on demo price list. Okay, now from here customers can add the product to cart and process checkout and make the payment. And if you have provided any promotional code, that also can be applied from here. And after that, customer can make the payment. So this is how we create price list and make use of it to calculate the price of products. Then we can also directly apply discounts on products from sale order. So if you create a new order, here we can see a field discount percentage. So when you add product from here we can set the discount. So here you can see total amount, and if you apply 20% as discount, and if you confirm the order, you can see here total change to 11.20, which is 20% of 40. So in this way also we can apply discounts, and we also have promotion and coupon programs. So it is a really nice marketing technique. So we can encourage customers to buy items by providing free gifts and discounts. So inside a promotion program or coupon program also we can apply a discount. So you can see apply discount as percentage and fixed price. And you can make use of promotion program code and apply while purchasing product from e-commerce shop. Okay, so that's all about price lists and discounts in Odoo 14 website community.